Allahabad High Court APS Series B Exercise 8 at the speed of 110 words per minute. Be ready. Start. The present petition instituted under Section 25 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 originates from a matrimonial dispute between the parties. The respondent husband had instituted a petition for dissolution of marriage under Section 13 subsection 1 bracket IA of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 in the family court at Pune, Maharashtra. The said petition for dissolution of the marriage of the parties was registered as PA number 151 of 2019. In the present petition, the main prayer of the petitioner wife is for transfer of that divorce petition from the Family Court Pune, Maharashtra to the Principal Judge, Family Court, Gautam Budh Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. It has been pleaded in the petition that the parental home of the petitioner is at Noida and she is undergoing treatment for certain ailment there. For these reasons, she would be unable to travel to Pune to defend the divorce petition. Moreover, the petitioner has filed a petition for restitution of conjugal rights before the Principal Judge, Family Court, Gautam Budh Nagar, Stop Para. On 8th May 2019, notice was issued in this petition by a bench consisting of two honorable judges of this court, and this court also stayed further proceedings of PA number 151 of 2019. The matter was called on for hearing again on 21st January 2020. On that day, learned counsel appearing for the parties agreed before the court that the matter could be settled through mediation. The parties were accordingly directed to appear before the Coordinator Supreme Court Mediation Center. The mediation process was successful and a settlement agreement has been arrived at on 15th February 2021. This settlement agreement forms part of records. The key terms of the settlement include withdrawal or quashing of three pending proceedings between the parties, as also filing of a joint application, inter alia, for decree of divorce by mutual consent before this court, invoking this court's jurisdiction under Article 142 of the Constitution of India. There is provision for payment of a lump sum amount to the petitioner wife in the settlement agreement in case the decree of divorce by mutual consent is granted by this court. Stop para. The question which I shall address now is as to whether, in exercising my jurisdiction, sitting singly, I can pass a decree for dissolving a marriage by mutual consent to which Hindu Marriage Act 1955 applies in exercise of this court's jurisdiction under Article 142 of the Constitution of India by dispensing with the compliance of some of the procedural formalities and timeline contemplated in Section 13B of the 1955 Act. The Constitution of India vests this court with the jurisdiction to pass any order or decree for doing complete justice in any cause or matter pending before it. The Constitution of India does not specify the composition or strength of a bench which could exercise such jurisdiction. This court, however, has been conferred power under Article 145 bracket 2 of the Constitution of India for making rules for fixing the minimum number of judges who are to sit for any purpose. Stop para. It would be evident from sub clause 2 of Article 145 that, subject to the provisions of clause 3 thereof, rules made under the said article may fix the minimum number of judges who are to sit for any purpose, and such rules may provide for the powers of single judges and division courts Stop.